Gas slider. Then aged 29 years. Now aged 64 years. Real name Rick Rosovich. Goose Maverick. Then aged 24 years. Now aged 59 years. Real name Tom Cruise. Goose Nick Goose. Then aged 24 years. Now aged 59 years. Real name Anthony Edwards. Goose Wolfman. Then aged 23 years. Now aged 59 years. Real name Barry Tubb. Goose Rick Hawley. Then aged 29 years. Now aged 64 years. Real name Whip Hobley. Goose Commander Mike. Then aged 51 years. Now aged 88 years. Real name Tom Skerritt. Goose Carroll. Then aged 23 years. Now aged 60 years. Real name Med Ryan. Goose Lieutenant Rick. Then aged 34 years. Now aged 72 years. Real name Michael Ironside. Goose Chipper. Then aged 21 years. Now aged 54 years. Real name Adrian Pastor. Goose Cougar. Then aged 25 years. Now aged 61 years. Real name John Stockwell. Goose Commander Stinger. Then aged 55 years. Now aged 90 years. Real name James Tolkien. Goose Marlin. Then aged 28 years. Now aged 63 years. Real name Tim Robbins. Goose Air Boss. Then aged 48 years. Now aged 84 years. Real name Duke Stroud. Goose Sundown. Then age 31 years. Now age 66 years. Real name Clarence Gilliard. Goose Skerritt. Then age 29 years. Now age 64 years. Real name Kelly McGillis. Goose Lieutenant Tom. Then age 27 years. Now age 62 years. Real name Val Kilmer. Thanks for watching.